to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jessie Weesie, and today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I became a Amazon brand ambassador. Now, if you follow me on social media, and if you don't, just go ahead and look in the description box and go ahead and follow me so we can be friends. So if you follow me on social media, you've been seeing this post. I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the screen so y'all can see. Hey, I just became a brand ambassador. If you're interested in helping out a small YouTuber, I'd appreciate it if you purchase through my links. Now, I guess I could say that that information was a little vague, so I'm going to use this video to really get into like the specifics of how being a brand ambassador, I lied, it's called being an Amazon associate, how being an Amazon associate works and like how it goes, because I feel like a lot of y'all have definitely already purchased through my links and I very much appreciate you guys for it. Please continue. If you ever need anything from Amazon, feel free to hit me up. But I do want to definitely let you guys know like what it is, what it entails, so on and so forth. So yes, this is going to be one of those videos where I'm going to sit here and I'm going to talk to you guys, but I would appreciate if you watch until the end because your girl is still trying to get her watch hours up. If you're not interested in anything I have to say, you can just play this video in the background. Okay, so let's get into it. I want to first let you guys know why I decided to become like an Amazon associate to begin with. One, y'all know I get my whole life off of Amazon. Literally, I order everything off of Amazon all the time. Now, a little less before quarantine had started, but once quarantine started and it was like too hustle and bustle to get to the store, everything was on its way by Amazon. So that's just what was going on there. Now, as soon as I started like really getting into the YouTube stuff, I was like, okay, I'm not monetized yet, but you know, when I do get monetized, essentially it's like other streams of income. So for it to become an Amazon associate, there's two things you have to do. So one, you have to sign up, and then two, you have to have three people purchase through your link within the 180 days that they give you in order to become an ambassador. Now, once that happens, then that's it. Like, you're officially an ambassador. So for me, I was like, okay, like I can do this. I order off Amazon all the time. No, you cannot order throughout your own links. You have to have 3 other people. So I went and I hit up my friends. Shout out to y'all for always holding me down. And I got 3 people, and I actually recently got the email that I've been approved. So like it's official now. I am an ambassador associate. I keep saying ambassador. Y'all get what I'm trying to say though. And it's working well for me. Now, really only say the real downside, a lot of people may not be interested in it because it's like slow money. Like sometimes for items you get up to 5%. So some items you'll get 3, some items you'll get 4, and then other items you'll get 5. And the specifics will be like on their website, so you'll know like what is what. But for the most part, you make about 5% commission from every item. Now, just to get into the specifics of how it works for me. Now, I do not have promo codes for everything under the sun. Amazon is not like, here, give all your followers and friends promo codes. No, just not at all. I'm actually going to show you guys how like that works. So, since y'all can't see, let me just explain it. So, Amazon essentially has 2 things. So, one, it has trending promo codes, which I usually scroll through and look and then post the things that I feel like are interesting or that people I know will need or will buy. But like for the most part, they're pretty random. So like right now, they have like chargers on sale, headbands, they have some shower curtains, they got some posters, you know, and like a random basketball hoop or something like that. Now, they have the trending promo codes and they have like regular promo codes that are like by section, so like computer and electronics, home goods, so on and so forth. But a lot of the things are things that, in my opinion, people that I'm reaching out to, like my audience, don't really use those things. So it's not necessarily always helpful. Now, there are some good promo codes. I just finished the air fryer, the ring lights, the regular like LED lights for your rooms, and those are really good ones, and those are up to like 50% off. You know, like the codes are good when they're good, but only if the people are using them. So that's kind of how that works. I know a lot of people hit me up and they're like, oh, like, can I use your promo code to order X, Y, and Z? No, sorry, I don't have promo codes for X, Y, and Z. So what I usually do tell them is, like, no, I'm sorry, I do not have promo codes for that. But if you do order through me, I do get a 5% commission and I would appreciate it. So let me just explain to you guys really quickly what it means to order through me. So what happens is you're gonna text me and be like, hey girl, I'm interested in getting, for example, a ring light off of Amazon. So you're gonna send me the Amazon link, or you can just tell me like you want a ring light. And then I'm gonna send you back a customized link that now has like my Amazon ID thing attached to it so that you can purchase through that link. Now, you can't just purchase it at any point in time. How it works is once you click that link, you have 24 hours to purchase in order for it to count for me. And the way that it was explained to me was basically like people are constantly ordering off of Amazon and they thought that it would be unfair for you to capitalize, I guess, off of like multiple purchases in the same time frame, like in the time frame that somebody clicks your link. So it's like, oh, like if you let it go on for 3 months, then whatever they order would count towards you. They're not letting us get away that easy, not at all. So within the 24 hours, you can either purchase that item or any other item that you purchase and it would still count for me. And all I ask from you is that when you do get your items, if you just do like a little promo, so a little like, you know, thanks Jess, and tag me so that I can screenshot and show other people that like it works and you know that this is what like I'm trying to do. So with that being said, I hope that clarifies for you guys like how the Amazon thing works for me. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. My DMs, messages, whatever are always open for purchases, for questions. And if you guys do decide that you have something that you want to order through Amazon and you want to do it through me, I would greatly appreciate it. And you can, you know, send me the item and we will get to talking. And I just want to say like so much. And if you made it this far throughout the video, at this point, you might as well subscribe and join the family, you know? And I know this isn't the most interesting video that I have dropped, but I definitely did need to explain this to you guys. But still, like and comment down below and let me know if you're an Amazon junkie just like me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.